Programming your key fob for 2000 to 2006 GMC Yukon models is a simple DIY process. These vehicles use a basic radio frequency RF keyless entry system. This video will show you how to synchronize your remote transmitter with your vehicle's body control module (BCM) without needing specialized tools or costly dealership visits, which average $100 to $150. The process uses a sequence of ignition cycles and button presses. You can pair up to 4 remotes per vehicle. Make sure to use original or OEM-compatible fobs for the best results. Universal remotes need exact frequency matching but may have compatibility issues. Remember, this method won't work with faulty BCMs or aftermarket alarms. Let's get started. Follow these steps to program your key fob for a 2000-2006 GMC Yukon. Step 1. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Step 2. Insert the key into the ignition and turn to the on position, but do not start the engine. Step 3. Press and hold the lock button on the first remote for 15 seconds. Step 4. Turn the ignition off, then back to on. Step 5. Repeat Step 3 for any additional remotes, up to 4 total. Step 6. Exit programming by turning the ignition off. If successful, the doors will lock and unlock to confirm. Environmental factors can impact this process. Avoid programming near interference sources like Wi-Fi routers, and confirm BCM voltage with a multimeter to ensure it is a steady 12 volts.